Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Device Manager now. Press Windows plus X or type DevNote, MSC, and hit Enter. Once the window appears, expand Monitors and look for the monitor entry that matches the hardware or generic PNP. You should right-click it and choose Properties to confirm driver and device status so you know what you will disable. Make sure to note the exact name and any driver dates. That helps if you need to re-enable later. You proceed by right-clicking the identified monitor and selecting Disable Device. Accept the confirmation prompt. This prevents Windows from using that monitor. If Disable is grayed out, use Uninstall Device and check Delete Driver Software if you truly want it removed. Otherwise, retrieve the device instance path from details to target it with Devkin or scripts. Once done, perform a restart so the system finalizes the change and to verify that the monitor no longer receives output. You finish by confirming the monitor shows disabled in Device Manager. A down arrow or disabled flag indicates success. If you need the monitor back, right-click and choose Enable Device or reinstall the original driver from the manufacturer. If the display doesn't return, boot into safe mode and enable there, or run System Restore to a point before the change. One key troubleshooting tip: always have a second display or remote access method ready before disabling a primary monitor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.